Welcome again to Blackboard. You see, Blackboard is all about working on your courses, and by this we mean assignments and quizzes. So that in this video, you will learn how to submit assignments in Blackboard and also how to take on a sample test. Now, before anything else, let me just show you that I have already prepared my assignment. I have already done it and save it in the desktop. So let's log in first. And here we are going to browse to my courses and look for an assignment. Let's take on the workshop practices. Click on the course. And from here, you will find an assignment in the course content. Let's take on the sheet metal report assignment. Now here, the assignment here, it shows here the due date that it's gonna be submitted on the 21st of April and the total marks for this assignment. And you can also find here the type of resource that I might need to do the assignment. You can download this one, but because I have already finished my assignment and I save it here in the desktop, so now I'm gonna submit this assignment. And to do that one, you just have simply to choose the file from the desktop where you save the assignment and drag and drop to this box. And after that, click submit. Now, after that, you will see here that you're able to submit. You can see that the submission is already here and that it is now ready for grading. So this is how you do the assignment, how to submit your assignment in Blackboard. So let's go. Now, if you're finished, you can just click OK. It means to say that you're already finished with the assignment. And we're done with this course. Now let's look for a quiz. Go to my institution. And I think one of the courses here, we have a sample quiz. So let's go to this course right here, computer application. And from this course, you will find a sample quiz. So this is how to take a sample quiz in Blackboard. So let's take this quiz. And here, before you take the quiz, it will give you some information about this quiz. Like, for example, this test has a limit of 3 minutes. So this is a quiz with a time limitation. Once you're ready, you can begin. And from here, you can see that there's a timer here that you have to be conscious about, that you have to check this from time to time. So let us make our answer here. Okay. Go to the next question. Answer. Make an answer. And move to the next question by clicking here. And then for the last question, choose an answer. Now, once you're finished and you've already reached the last question, it is important that you should save and submit. And then click OK. Now it says here that the tests have been submitted. Click OK. And what is good about the quiz is that it will give you immediately the marks for this quiz. And here you can see that it is 4 out of 10. This is your marks for the quiz. Also, once you're finished with all the quizzes and assignments, you would be interested to find out about your marks, about your grades. Now, you can check your marks and your grades for all of your courses by going here in My Grades. Okay. Now from here, what you can see is that for the quiz that you just have taken, you can see that your marks is here. And also for the other assignment that you have done, you can also see from here. So this is where you can see your marks or your grades for your courses. And if you go back to My Institution, again, from here, you have finished doing assignment, submitting assignment, you've done your quiz, taking quiz, and you've already able to verify and check your grades from here, My Grades. So this concludes this short video tutorial.